Congratulations, you've been approved. $13,500. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share a major update with one of the latest fintech companies that offers a business credit product that can help you with building business credit. And we're talking about Visa MasterCard that you can use, and it's going to report and it's going to help you with building business credit. So we're going to be talking about FundIt. So this is an email that I received. The business building card is here. Apply today. They've got an exciting update. They've opened up the early access list for the business building card. Now this is built for businesses with under 10 employees in mind, 0% APR because it's a monthly charge, so you have to pay it back in full. Flexible approvals and underwriting. Your credit limit will grow as your business grow, and you can apply for a higher limit every 3 months. And this is built on a platform that connects you not only with the business building card, but also grants, capital, and other resources. We are thrilled to invite you to become one of the first 100 cardholders. As an early cardholder, you'll help us build a new path to capital for other business owners like you. Now, and again, FundIt is a fintech startup, and their business model is a little bit different than some of the other fintechs out there, like a Brex or Divvy or Ramp, that is really geared to larger businesses that are already established. So if you're a brand new startup and you're not that established, you have less than 10 employees, then this might be a credit product for you. All right, so I'm actually going to go through the application process. So after logging in, hitting the apply button, it says apply for a business building card, apply for funded capital, or I'm looking for business grants. So they have a platform that has a host of different financial resources for you. But in today's video, I'm just going to be going over the business building card. So I'm going to select right here, hit continue. All right, so here I'm in the dashboard. So they have a couple different things that you can choose from. So they have different grants that you can search. They also have a capital marketplace that has a host of different loans from different types of lenders. So you can actually go into here. And one of the cool things is that it shows you what the FICO requirements are, what the loan amounts are, APRs for certain lenders that they have in the capital marketplace. So apply for a business building card. So business credit with flexible underwriting. Get business credit sooner with only 6 months of banking data. 0% APR with monthly payoffs. So I'm just going to hit apply now. All right, so it says, tell us about your business. My company is registered in the United States. I have a US business bank account that has been active for at least 6 months. My business is an LLC and I am a business owner. Now right here it asks, what is your annual revenue? So they have less than 50K, 50 to 100, 100 to 250, or more than 250. Or now they have business credit details. So right here, you're going to enter in your first name, last name, email, phone number, business legal name. All right, so right here it's asking for some personally identifiable information. SSN, ITIN optional, EIN, as well as country of citizenship. And right here is asking about the business entity. So either an LLC, sole prop, corporation, joint venture, nonprofit, partnership, if you're not sure, or even if you haven't registered it yet. Right here is going to ask the business start date. So you can use business acquisition date if you are not the founder. Let's say you have an existing business that you've taken over or acquired. So right here, you're just going to enter business start date, month and year. All right, so right here, it says to secure bank link. So securely connect your bank using Plaid. So Plaid is partnered with thousands of banks to provide the most secure and convenient way to verify a bank account and deliver your bank statements. So you could choose to use Plaid, or you can upload statements manually. So when you click on Plaid, it says FundIt uses Plaid to connect to your account. So just hit continue. And then from here, you can choose the financial institution where you have your business checking account. All right. It says we are currently processing your application. All right. So the first part of this video was filmed back on January 26th. And this is when I got the email from FundIt to apply for the FundIt business building card. Now, I've done several reviews on FundIt. This is a brand new fintech startup, and there was a wait list, and I told a lot of you guys, if you were interested, get on the wait list. So back in January, late January, they extended the invitation to apply to the first 100 people on the wait list. And so I was fortunate enough to be able to apply for it. Now, what I just showed you, I walked through the process. I was able to apply for it, and I didn't get an immediate decision, as a lot of you guys know. So here we are in March. Yesterday, as a matter of fact, March 3rd is when I got an email letting me know that I was approved. So right here it says, congrats, you've been approved for the business building card. Now, in terms of the limit, it says you've been approved for a monthly spend limit of $13,500. Now, I also got a notification that the card is in the mail and is expected to be delivered within 7 to 10 business days. Now, just to recap, so this is more of an entry-level card. Now, their business model is really designed for newer businesses. So some of the basic requirements, you will need a minimum of at least 6 months of banking history, because they do use Plaid to determine whether or not you're eligible. But one of the great things I would say about FundIt, even though it is a charge card, and I know a lot of people don't prefer charge cards, they prefer revolving cards, it does report to business credit. So this is a, bank issued credit account that reports to business credit. So this is a financial trade. And as I've been stating in other videos, it's important to have financial trades so that later down the road, once you've established your business credit profile, it'll just strengthen the case for a larger line of credit, loan, or even another business credit card. A lot of the products out there, especially the fintechs, when we're talking about Ramp and Brex and Torpago, right? They want to see that you have large balances. Now with the FundIt card, I believe you only need to be generating around like $4,000 or so in monthly gross revenue. So that's going to be much more accessible, right? Because a lot of lenders want to see, at least $10,000 in gross monthly revenue, whereas FundIt, their business model is somewhat opposite of a lot of the other fintech types of business accounts out there, where they're really going after the smaller business, right? The micro business. So if you're in the beginning stages of building business credit, I definitely recommend this. Now, I just wanted to go through this process, not because I need the credit, but I just wanted to, see what the process was like so I could share the information with you guys. And again, this is a fintech startup. So as you saw, the process for me took, maybe 5 or 6 weeks in order to get a decision. This might be a viable, business solution for those who are just starting out. And I'll probably do an unboxing once I actually receive the physical card. But I did want to do this review just to give you guys some insights. And just to clarify, there was absolutely no hard credit pull on any of my personal credit reports in order to get approved for this. Now, during the application process, I did show you that they do ask for your social security number, as well as your or your ITIN, that's optional, and your EIN, so your employer identification number. Now, one of the biggest questions a lot of people ask me is, if this is a business account, why are they asking for my social security number? And the reason why is for identity verification. So a lot of times now, lenders will actually cross-reference your social security number for identification purposes with the Social Security Administration. And this is for verification purposes. So they're not actually going to be pulling it, but they're using it to verify your identity. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.